How to make custom monogram PJs with Cricut. Step 1. Click on the monogram feature in Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Insert the initials and select between classic or thematic monogram types. Step 3. Select the elegant subcategory under classic. Choose the text style, then click Add to Canvas. Step 4. Resize the design. Click the color swatch button, then change the color. Step 5. Once you're done designing, click Make It Turn On Mirror, then click Continue. Step 6. Go to the Popular tab and select Smart Iron-On Glitter for the material. Step 7. Insert the material shiny side down to the machine and press the Load button. Step 8. The machine will measure the material, then press the blinking Go button to start cutting. Step 9. While it's cutting, go ahead and turn the heat press on. Step 10. Once it's done cutting, unload the material and trim off the excess. Step 11. Weed out the design carefully. Step 12. Grab your PJ and place it on top of the heat press mat. Step 13. Grab your easy press and pre-press for 4 to 5 seconds to get all the moisture out. Step 14. Next, place the monogram where you want it, then press it for 25 seconds. Step 15. Move the heat press around in a circular motion to make sure that you're pressing the entire design. Step 16. Unbutton the PJ, flip it, and then press the back for another 15 seconds. Step 17. Once you're done, let it cool, then gently peel away the protective liner. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.